It's time for the bad penny to pay the ultimate price. But first, you can watch me deal with the girl. Good. I like them to struggle before they die.
I smile to her face.
He's finally awake.
And whisper, Mom, this world is mine. It's not gonna hurt me. Everyone's friendly. No one needs to cry. I wish that I hadn't thought so when I was playing with the bees. The sound was fun, they were spinning around.
I'm not on anyone's side. I'm on my own side.
So da, grüß dich zurück bei der langen Tag. Wie du siehst, ich habe gerade einen Hardcut gemacht. Ich habe unseren Willi bald komplett ausruhen lassen über die Nacht. Und es ist jetzt vorhin gestanden, in der letzten Aufnahme hast du gesehen, ist er gestanden, beende alle Missionen, bevor du nach Schwarzfels zurückkehrst. Ich nehme an, wir stapfen nun ins Grande Finale von Episode 4. Dem werden wir uns jetzt annehmen. Wir dürfen sowieso nichts mitnehmen. Ich werde aber, bevor wir reingehen ins Gefängnis, noch einmal alles entleeren. Man darf gespannt sein, was nun kommt. Wir werden das Notwendigste ausziehen. Also wie du siehst, wir haben eigentlich jetzt nur mehr unser Gewand an. Aber warte mal. Eine Sache noch. Denn da überschreiben. Ich glaube, jetzt geht's ins Finale. Finale. Machen wir einen zweiten Speicherstand. Überschreiben. Okay. Finale. Los geht's. Wir sind jetzt bei 80% und jetzt da ziehen wir die Episode bis zum Schluss durch. Wurscht, wie lang es dauern wird.
So, pilot, did you finish the job?
I found the detonators.
Well, I guess the warden was telling the truth after all.
Now what?
Now, we blow a hole in the wall. But first, let's you and I have a little chat.
Hey! Mathis! I did everything you asked.
Oh, I know, pilot. You've been a good dog. But every dog has its day.
Whoa! Wait! Fellas!
So, here we are again.
Yeah. We have to stop meeting like this. Me tied to a chair, you acting crazy.
The problem I have, pilot, is that you keep lying to me.
I don't know what you mean.
You see, that's exactly the kind of thing that pisses me off! First, you pretend not to know anything about the case.
I really don't.
Then, you go around behind my back, purposely trying to mess up my plans with an accomplice.
Mathis,
Shut your mouth! All I hear are lies. I know everything.
You monster. He didn't do anything.
I know. He was so innocent. Just one of the good guys. But he sang like a bird when we laid into him. He couldn't give you and your friend up quickly enough. I know about your pathetic activities to slow me down, Mackenzie. It makes me laugh because the only reason I kept you alive was I thought you could fly us out of here, back to the mainland. But I'm starting to understand that here, we can be kings. Back there is nothing but fire and cold. The old world. My crew and I, we're gonna rule Great Bear. Nobody can stop us. Not you, not your friend, nothing. We aren't going anywhere. So you've outlived your usefulness to me, pilot. And when I'm done with you, I'm going after your little helper.
What the hell is going on?
Ich würde sagen, wir stecken in Schwierigkeiten und die sind nicht einmal klein. Okay, Willi. Herzlich willkommen im Finale zur 4. Episode der Long Dark.
What happened?
The detonators. They blew too early. Something happened. The guys fucked it up.
You assholes! Solitary?
They're clearing the rubble. Can't see shit for all the smoke right now. There's fire everywhere.
I suppose you're pleased with yourself. You'd better hope nothing's happened to my...
Greetings, convict assholes. This is your friendly neighborhood prison hacker checking in to say it's lockdown time.
Mackenzie! I am going to destroy everything you love.
Mac? Whatever you're gonna do, you'd better do it soon.
The warden's office. Hard case.
Los, wir haben keine Zeit. Wo ist dieser Scheißkoffer? Wo ist dieser Scheißkoffer? Ah, Wärterbüro, genau. Das muss da hinten sein, irgendwo. Na. Wo waren wir gefesselt? Na, da geht's nicht raus. Cafeteria. Rec Room. Wo ist dieses scheiß Wärterbüro, bitte? Cafeteria, da wollen wir nicht hin. Da komme ich nicht durch, weil es da die Tür verbogen hat. Super. Ich käme jetzt nicht aus. Liegt da irgendwo was, was man brauchen kann? Na. Was ist da? Ich kann. Entschuldigung. Boah. Ich kann auch nichts mitnehmen. Wo ist dieser beschissene Koffer? BZW, dieses Wärterbüro. Aber was hat die Chase jetzt gemacht? Hat die Zünder vorher schon losgelassen, oder was? Ja, super, ein Stück Papier kann ich mitnehmen. Toll! Ah! Ihr schlauen Bastarde. Da hat sie grad. Da war nix. Matt ist das Arschloch.
I smiled to her face
He's finally awake.
and whispered, Mom, this world is mine. It's not gonna hurt me. Everyone's friendly. No one needs to cry. I wish that I hadn't thought so when I was playing with the bees. The sound was fun. They were spinning around.
I'm not on anyone's side. I'm on my own side. The hard case. This damn thing. So much trouble. I'm here.
You made it to the warden's office. Good. You'd better get what you need and get the hell out of there. Quick.
Did you cause that explosion?
I might have nudged it a bit, but mostly those idiot convicts did it to themselves. The PA in lockdown, however, that was all me.
I have the case.
Okay, hang on a sec. Okay, here we are, warden's office. Okay, so, end of the hallway you just came out of. Take it. You'll end up on the roof. Cross over the building and you'll find a fire escape thingy. Come down there, and you should recognize where you are. I'll meet you at the power plant.
I can see lights in the prison yard. Fire.
You'd better hurry. The whole security system has gone haywire, and I have no idea how long the lockdown will last. Mathis and Donner could be after you in a minute. Go, go, go! Relax, Mac. It's me, Jace.
Right. Well, you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. Thanks for your help back there.
Thanks for yours.
That was one hell of an explosion, huh?
Yeah. I'm trying to figure out what happened there.
Well, I might have just had a little bit to do with that.
You should have seen Mathis's face.
That guy had it coming to him.
Could you see what was going on?
Hacked into the security cameras across the prison. That's how I was able to keep an eye on you and the rest of it.
Well, what now?
Yeah, I mean, this is as far as my plan went. You have any ideas?
We have to get to Atwood.
I still don't get it, but yeah, we do. I'm worried about her. With all this going on, she's fragile.
Okay. Well,
Shit! They found us. That was faster than I expected.
okay. Well, you have the blueprints, right? How do we get out of here?
I don't know. This was the extent of my plan, Mackenzie. Isn't this prison escape gig more your thing?
There has to be another way out.
Shit! Trapped. This is not how I thought this would end. And things were just starting to look up.
Okay, whatever happens.
You're like a bad penny, Mackenzie.
I've been called worse.
You know, it's amazing to me that a smartass like you has made it this far.
Like I've always told you, you have no idea how stubborn I am.
It's too bad being stubborn isn't the same as being smart. And this must be the fly in the ointment. A girl, no less. This is the end of the line for you and your friend, Pilot.
I'm not afraid of you, asshole. I've been fighting guys like you all my damn life.
Well, today, you lose. In more ways than one, girl.
Mathis,
What is
Donna.
it?
The explosion. He's hurt bad.
This wouldn't have happened if not for you. You've been a pain in my ass for too long, Pilot. It's time for the bad penny to pay the ultimate price. But first, you can watch me deal with the girl. Good. I like them to struggle before they die. Yes! That's what I like to see, Mackenzie. A little fight! A little will to live! I knew you had it in you!
Mathis! Mathis! He's dying. His daughter is dying.
Wasn't expecting that.
Seemed like a Good idea at the time. Looks like Blackrock's on fire.
It actually looks warm. First time I've missed the place.
Hey, hang in there. I'll get a fire going. You'll be warm in no time.
It's okay. I'm warming up.
That is not a good sign, Jace. Just wait. Hang in there. It'll be fine. Everything is gonna be fine.
You know, Mathis, just come after us. He'll never stop.
Yeah. Neither will we.
Another one! In the water!
But not drown like the others.
Must not be a quarantine breaker then?
Is it another one?
This one is different!
Can't be.
Watch it. Might be infected.
No, not her. Where is it?
Need water.
She doesn't look good.
Get her some water, now. Astrid, you came. You said you would, and you did. But where is the case? Where's the cure?
Tja, was willst du dazu jetzt sagen? Ich habe jetzt ein bisschen geschnitten, weil ich mich zwischen eine jetzt ein bisschen geärgert habe. Aber lasst mir jetzt ein paar abschließende Worte zu dieser Episode sagen. Wir haben jetzt da 3 oder 4 Sachen jetzt nicht mitgenommen, das war mir jetzt im Prinzip scheißegal. Gell? Ich wollte jetzt wissen, wie es ausgeht und wie es weitergeht. Episode 5, wenn sie kommt, werde ich sie spielen. Gleich wie alle anderen Episoden. Und Astrid ist auch wieder dabei, beziehungsweise wir haben jetzt da zum Schluss gesehen, sie ist am Ort des Geschehens, beziehungsweise dort, wo sie am Anfang gesagt hat, dass sie dorthin muss. Wir dürfen gespannt sein. Es hat einen Bericht gegeben, oder bei der GameStar hätte ich halt gehört, es sei die letzte Episode 5 sei das Finale vor den ganzen, was ich aber nicht glaube. Aus dem einfachen Grund, du hast das gerade selber gesehen. Die Astrid und der Will sind zu weit auseinander. Das kann sie nicht ausgehen. Aber wir werden alles im Laufe der Zeit sehen. Wenn Episode 5 angekündigt wird, wirst du auf meinem Kanal in Staffeln neben Episode 4 den Trailer aufblitzen sehen. Mit Episode 5 und dort werden wir dann weitermachen. Es war, oder The Long Dark ist ein wunderschönes Spiel. Klein, fein, simpel, und eine Staffel werden wir noch mal machen im Überlebensmodus, ein bisschen länger demnächst, dass wir wieder in die Mechaniken reinkommen. Ich habe es ja schon lange nicht mehr gespielt gehabt, daher auch ein bisschen schon wissen. Und somit danke fürs Zuschauen, wenn es dir gefallen hat. Freue mich, wenn wir uns in einem anderen Video wieder sehen. Und wir sehen uns dann bei Episode 5 wieder. Baba dabei.